Hey traders, John Howell here. I've got something really interesting to share with you, or should I say market update time for you guys, right? Welcome. This is John Howell here, your number one market trader, coming here to give you a bit of an update across the markets. So a few really interesting things I want to share with you when it comes to markets, stock market, gold, silver, and also the good old Bitcoin. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so let's get straight into it. Traders, if you do need some help, I'm giving away a free training talking about my trading system and the 3 secrets you must know. Also a free trading course as well too. That goes through 5 phases. I'm just giving it away for free. So first thing in the description, guys, if you need some help, grab that free thing and link in the description, click on that. It's free. So let's have a look at the good old stocking market. Stocking market had a bit of an update today, but the volume is really low lately. Look at this here. Look what's happened, right? We came down. Look how low this volume is on the S&P, right? Low. This is the calm before the storm. What I mean by that is we know, look, where are we right now? Almost at the end of August, okay? So we're getting into that September period, September, October, November, December. Guess what? Here we go, right? What's that? Right? It is the whole summer doldrums. If you don't know, this is what tends to happen on a secular basis in America. That generally around these times, it's very low. It's much lower volume. Through, say, I think it's like the whole sell in May and go away. May, June, July, August. That's that period where it's generally pretty low volume. And then the volume really starts to pick up from September, moving forward through the rest of the year. So if you are trading these markets right now, please be patient, okay? Do not be taking a lot of crap because it's just not worth it. For me personally, I haven't actually had a lot of trades lately myself. I recently got out of trade right? Actually today for a really nice profit. But I haven't actually had a lot of really good trades because the market has been very volatile and it hasn't been actually given us some clean signals. So please be patient. Now that's if you are trading a setup. If you are trading just based off what you think is a good idea, that's not how professionals do it, right? You need some sort of a system. What are you looking for? What pattern are you looking for? Your number one rule should be, what pattern are you looking for? If you don't know, first thing in the description, learn my pattern, okay? But learn something. But it's got to be a pattern. What pattern are you looking for on the charts? Not, I'm just going to trade anything that moves and it looks like a good idea. It's like, no, right? You're going to blow yourself up out of the markets. What pattern are you looking for? Looking at looking at the S&P 500, right now we've got the, I think it's the inflation numbers coming out. We've got a red announcement coming out before the market opens tonight on the S&P 500. We did get a little bit of an up bar today. Well, what is that? What is this up bar today? If we go look at the hourly charts, look at this here. Look what's going on. So if we can see this on the hourly charts, we can see how we've actually had this low, higher low, higher low, higher low, some sort of a higher low. Then we had a higher low. Now we've had a lower low, right? And you can see what's happening also with the moving average as well too. So this could be, we need to wait and see what it does, but this could be a moment where we actually turn around. This could be just a pullback in the markets. Because you can see when the market's above the moving average and the moving average strong trending, if we up, we get a pullback, up, get a pullback, up, and so on and so forth, right? Then now, whereas the moving average trending is trending down. So we now may be going up, down. If we do reverse here for some reason, if we do start to reverse and we come back down and we break these low levels through here around the 4,150 level, if we do break that, then we're probably going to see a move back down towards the 4,008. We're probably going to see a really big move now. After that, we have had a little bit of a pullback now. Not much out of the stock market, but if we do get this pattern, right, the big F, if we do get this pattern, which is, let me just draw it through here, make it much more simple for you, okay? So down, we're gonna up. If we do start to break past previous lows through here, there's a real high probability we're gonna start to make our way down towards the 3,800 area. So we could be getting ready for another big drop in the markets, and this may just be the sort of the precursor. Now, it may not be, guys. That's why we never jump on and we never trade based off what we hope or think is going to happen. We always wait for the market to tell us, because this could simply happen, right? we could simply get that. Anything can happen in the markets. But if we do start to get something like this, right, down, 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 and it starts to break these lows, now we're saying, oh, look at this here. Now we have a high, we have a lower high. It's breaking past previous lows. We're downtrending. Now we're probably likely to start to see a big move, right? So we always wait for the market to give us some confirmation that we're likely to start to do that. Make sense? Let's go have a look at gold and silver. Gold right now is still holding strong through here. We had a little bit of a bounce. What is this all about, right? Because the really interesting thing with gold right now is that we're definitely stuck at this level of long-term support level, right? Look at this level through here, all the through here, right? Look at this here, bam, 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 right? Bam, the bam, bam line. There's the bam, bam line again, right? The bam, bam. Or the boom, boom line. The boom, boom line, right? Look at this here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Look at the boom, boom line, right? So the market is right at these two boom, boom lines. And so we can see what's going on through here. Okay, the boom, boom line. That's right, the two boom, boom lines. Because the market just goes boom off these things, right? So we may not even get to this level before we go boom. What happens through here? It's really interesting to see what gold does, because we're right at these two levels here. And we can see how we've actually been coming down lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. We're still in a downward trend. But if for some reason gold does start to break these highs up here around the 1,800 level, if we do something like that, then now we're no longer in a downward trend. If gold does do that, we're no longer in a downward trend, and then we're probably likely to start to see gold start to trend back up again in the markets here. And that's probably going to be the start of a new upward trend when it comes to the gold market there. The big thing I also want to share with you as well too, let me actually bring this up through to here. All right, let me bring this over here. The big thing I really want to share with you here, guys, is looking at the good old Bitcoin, right? The Bitcoin is going sideways, guys. So this is actually not looking too good. We definitely do have a strong moving average coming down. So this is the Bitcoin here. If I'm looking at, that's the daily charts. If I start to look at the 4-hour charts, you can see where we're at right now. So if indeed we start to get a good strong breakout bar with this one here, right, looking at this one here, if indeed we do start to get something like that happening on Bitcoin, so a big bar like that breaking down, that could then be the start of the next big leg down, okay? Because we are in a bit of a strong sort of phase through here, as you can see, right, down, and then now we're going across. If we do start to break down, then we're probably going to see a very nice movement on the downside. If we draw a bit of a trend line, you can start to see also that this upward trend is now completely broken. As you can see, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, came up, we've come back down. We're now just going sideways. This is now what I call the resting phase. And now if we do get something like this happening, like that, then there's a high probability we're going to continue down to break a new low, probably down to 17,000, and then we could see the capitulation, right? Because I've always been wondering, when is capitulation going to happen in the crypto market? We're not there yet, right? Capitulation is coming, guys. It is coming. Capitulation is coming in the crypto market, and it's going to have, we've got more of a washing away effect happening. Is coming. Right, so we're likely to get that. So just be prepared for that, because that is coming. But this actually could be the start of the washing away effect. And what I mean by that is that if we now go back to the daily charts, I can see the next major level of support is actually down here around that 12,000 level. So if I go back to the 4-hour charts here for a minute, let me see if I can just squeeze this chart up, right down through here. So this could have a really big washing away effect down through this level through here. So we could see a very, very big drop back down. And if we get down to the 10,000 level, let me go have a look at the actual support levels when it comes to the good old Bitcoin. The Bitcoin. That's right, the Bitcoin. I actually made some really good money on Bitcoin. Actually, most of my trades have been short on Bitcoin. I've made most of my profits on, over the last couple of years, my major trades have been two really good short trades on Bitcoin and one long trade on Ethereum, which when Ethereum was at like 400, that's when I had that trade. But anyway, I can see that there's this major level of support through here. That's the reason why I've got that sort of support and resistance line through there, as you can see. So, and it may even drop down towards maybe somewhere through there, maybe the 11,000. And again, that 11,000 level, that's that major support level back here. So if we do continue down from here, right, and let's actually go back to the 4-hour chart now. Let's actually take off this this moving average, and if we squeeze our charts up, let's go through. Let's squeeze our charts up, right? Let's actually continue to squeeze it up so we can get a good look at it, right? We can see here. Look at this, right? If we do get this, we can see how. Look at this. Look at this here, right? We're starting to develop this. If we indeed, guys, if indeed we do start to get something like this, then guess what? That could, because this is the 4-hour chart. It's taken a long time for this to happen. If we do get that, guys, it could be game on. And I would say get ready for that, because we're probably going to get a very, very, very big capitulation move from there. So I hope this helps you out today, traders. Once again, that first link in the description, click on that. Go over there right now. I'm giving away a free trading course. I'm also giving away a free trading. I'm going to be teaching my trading system for free and all that sort of stuff. So click the very first link in the description, guys. Click on that. Go get the help you need. And right now, please be patient. Don't be jumping all over the place. No bumblebees, right? A bumblebee is someone where you know what a bumblebee is, right? You're all over the place. You're trading this, you're trading that, you're trading this, you want to do this, you want to do that. Like, no, let's relax, let's calm. Let's wait for really good quality setups in the markets. If you don't have that, then that's where you actually need to start with that place. What is a good quality setup you're looking for? Very first thing in the description, guys, you'll be able to at least see what I do for my trading. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go do that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.